Are you ready to master modern Android development? Welcome to Kotlin with Compose. Hi, I'm Sanjay Karki, a passionate Android developer with 6 years of experience in native Android development using Java, Kotlin, and Jetpack Compose. This channel is going to be dedicated on helping you become a proficient Android developer using Kotlin and Jetpack Compose. You will find tutorials, tips, and hands-on projects to enhance your skill. From beginner-friendly tutorials to advanced projects, I will cover you everything you need to know about building modern, beautiful, and corporate-level Android apps. If you are excited to learn and grow with us, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Let's dive into the world of Kotlin and Compose together. Happy coding! In today's video, we will walk through setting up your Android development toolkit Android Studio. By the end of this video, you will have everything you need to start building Android native app. So to download the Android Studio, you need to go to the Android official site, that is developer.android.com. The URL is provided in the description below. You can check there too. And the URL will be something like this, and you can start downloading the Android Studio by clicking this button here. And depending on the time that you are watching this video, the Android Studio's version name may be different here, so it doesn't matter with the version, so you can just download the current one. And if you have any queries regarding the platform specific requirements, then you can also check the Android developers official install sites, which is also given in the description below, and you can just check for Windows and Mac, or if you are using Linux, then you can also check for the Linux requirements, and we are good to go. So if you are running your Android Studio for the first time, then your screen should look something like this or similar to this. So if you haven't installed any SDKs, then you can also install SDKs from going to this over here, and you can go to the SDK tools and install any SDK tools that you need. And if you haven't installed the Kotlin plugin yet, so you can also go to the plugin section over here to the marketplace here, and you can just type here Kotlin and you can just install it. Or by default, I think currently the Android Studio also supports the Kotlin, so you don't have to download at all, or it will come with the Android Studio together. So just let's create a new projects and name it something like welcome app. So this is the package name, and it is saved over here, and we are using the minimum SDK API level 26, and we are using the Kotlin DSL for build configuration, which is currently recommended by Android itself. So so this is something that it will look like, and it will take a few minutes to just configure its build configurations and something like that. So it will be ready like within a minute. So finally the Gradle build is completed, and the folder structure looks something like this. So this is our main activities, in which all the stuffs will be put together here. So currently there is like this hello Android. Let's convert it into, let's write something Android, something different than Android. So let's write our own name. So yeah, this is hello Sanjay, and if you even run this on the emulator, then yeah, it will be, I think it will be run smoothly, because I don't think there should be any issues. So it's just starting. So if you are till here with the videos, then thank you guys for watching videos till the end, and I hope you find this video very helpful. And yeah, in coming days I'll be providing something more interesting videos in the coming days, so stay tuned. And yeah, we get our app running, so as you can see there is still hello Android. So if you want to change this over in your app, then you just have to change over here. So like just type my full name essentially directly over here, so and let's rerun it. So now you can see, yeah, it's Sanjay Karki. So thank you guys for watching these videos, and if you are new to this channel, then please hit a subscribe buttons, and also don't forget to press the bell icons if you don't want to miss any updates. So thank you guys for watching, and happy coding.